to another active campaign tutorial, and today we will discuss about the active campaign form. So there are different types of forms in active campaign. You can use the embedded form, you can use the pop-up, and I think they also have a slide up form. So yeah, this is a beginner's guide for those who haven't tried active campaign yet but want to use active campaign. So without further ado, let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first is we need to log into the active campaign. So I'm gonna use the sandbox for now. Yeah, so click the login button, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So you need to click the pages, sorry, it should be site, and then go to the form section. Okay, hold on for a while. Forms, and then you let's say we will create a form, so click the create a form. So you will be asked, like, is it an inline, floating box, or modal? So for now I'm going to use let's just name the form, I'm going to use inline form, and let's go that test. And for the subscriber, you need to choose your subscribers options. So if you want me to create a tutorial on that, just let me know. So for now, let's just dive into the form. So click the create form, and then you will be redirected to the form editor. So in these options here, you can play around with the styles. So the styling, you can make it that kind of layout. For the options is you can definitely change like the text of the form and also the thank you page. So if you don't want the message, you can also use a specific URL for your thank you pages. So that's how it works. So let's say, let's update that form. So once you already have that, you can just get the script for you to embed that form to your inner pages. Okay, you can also use the style thing. So let's save that, and then let's go back to our pages, and then I'm gonna edit the page, and we will add additional forms. So choose the embed code module. I'm gonna add column for now, so I'm gonna add column and then embed, and put the embed code that we just generated earlier. So yeah, so that's really how it works. You can publish it to see like how it looks on your computer. Now let's create another form, and I'm gonna try to change this to actually previous. I'm gonna create, so let's delete that one for a while, and then let's create a different form. So let's choose floating star on it. Okay, and actually floating box would be ideal, so let's use that one. So yeah, so I'm gonna choose a same template again. Let's put another test name, so test 2. And for the floating bar, so let's refresh it for now, and then let's try, okay, wait a minute, so floating, and then you put the test 2, and then the URL would be the name of the inner pages where you want to put the floating box. So let's just go into our inner pages. So go back to the sites, and then you go to the pages, and then pages, and then I'm gonna click that 3 dots in here and click that edit post. So that will be our slug URL, so put it there, and then create. Okay, And for the floating form, you also have options to change the style. So this is how it looks. This is the default. So you can also do that. You can add images. So that's the 4 layouts. And same with the embed form, you can put a thank you page or just keep it with a URL. So yeah, so that's how it really works. So let's integrate that one, and let's go back to the pages. Okay, and let's go to the edit design, and then let's replace the embed code. Actually, you don't. Oh, yeah, replace the embed code to see the pop-up form. So yeah, that's really how it works, guys. There's also other options actually that you can do. Let's delete that one for a while, and I'm gonna create another form again for the modal. Okay, still the same. So I'm gonna put test, and then we will copy again the let's copy again the URL or the slug. Okay, copy that, edit to URL, and this is the URL. So copy and put it on the form. Still the same. So if you want me to create a tutorial for that, for the add action thing, just let me know so I can create a different series for that video. So for the modal, by the way, the modal is you have an element that will trigger. So example of an element is a button. So still the same, we have 4 layouts that you can choose from. So copy that, and then you put it on the, you go back with the site and then the pages, and then still the same with the process, you need to paste the code into your pages. So click the edit design, and let's replace that code and put it there. Okay, so edit. And then you can also add a lease. So you go to the contacts and then lease, and then like in here we only have template lease. So let's say I'm going to add a lease called customers. Okay, so all the submission coming from our modal or lightbox will go to the customers. So go back, let's go back to the site and go back to the form section. Okay, and yeah, forms, and then let's click this one. I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, and let's try to add another form, and for now we have options for the lease. Instead of just one options, we can put all the submission to the customer lease that we just created. So yeah, that's really how it works, guys. You can also put tags on it. So let's say these are the repeating customers, so you can come up with that kind of actions, but I will not cover that on this video. Let me know if you want me to create a separate video for that. There's also a deal, like there's different actions that you can choose from. So for example, deals. Yeah, so we haven't set up the deals yet, but again, let me know if you want me to create a tutorial on that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.